Kung nakikrave ka sa Thai food, try nyo itong Kaukai located at SM Fairview. I love it because maraming variation ng seafoods, veggies, pork, chicken, and many more. At meron ding good for big groups. We order itong garlic beans. I love this one because it's so fresh. At itong Pat Mama, it's an instant noodles with pork, veggies, and many more. But I noticed yung krapaw at saka yung Pat Mama is same ng lasa, ng sauce. I don't know why. Then, eto namang Bangkok Liempo. Crispy siya at big serving. Try nyo din yan. And also, etong fried chicks platter nila, masarap yung mga chicken nila at saka yung mga liempo kasi talagang crunchy. But I noticed na medyo maalat yung serving nila. I don't know if that day lang or talagang ganun yung lasa niya. Kaya naman we decided to order itong Thai's iced coffee to balance at saka cleanse yung palate namin. And to end the dinner, we order itong mango sticky rice. Masarap naman siya pero syempre iba pa rin yung sa Bangkok.